saya Manuia. Today is Sunday, our last Sunday here in Samoa, and we're spending it with my mission family here at Pesega. So mom and dad's driving us to Pesega. So this is the falisa that has not been built when I was serving here. Now it's done. That's huge. Huh? Wow, new things here. Oh, now I see Valeu for mum. There's lepea. Or lepea. Malay lepea. This is lepea, the Malay. And then down there is Waitoloa. That sign has changed. Everyone, this is my house, my only house in Samoa. It's like no one at church. Oh, they're all walking. That's my house, my mission home. Oh yeah. And then the houses around it's still the same. Hello. Like
Jobs. Yeah. Can I take a picture?
Hi, Sophie.
What's our favorite missionary?
Oh yeah.
Oh. Oh, really? Shut up.
Yo, smile. You know what? Smile. 1, 2, 3, smile.
You look so Hi, Jeremiah. Yes, Cookie. Wait, hi for that one.
Waarom zo voor? Oh, we zijn helemaal. Waarom met ons? Helemaal niet wat. Hier, even met jou op zo'n verjaardag. Hier.
Oh, you're so tall now. 14. You're 14.
That's a good one.
Bye, Jeremiah.
Go back.
Ew.
Pwede ma.
Mania po ile ikaw sa phone. Ah, yeah. Ole steak ka.
Steak center.
Steak center oko. But it's
Kijk. Escuro em minha vida.
fai kako fale ice cream. Fai Ele fale loa. Fai le fresh, le real fruit ice cream. If Tequila said it was good, it's good. So
Maya ka ko, mere fai fa appreciate ko kan. Ese me ai lang ko fai ese me ai ko.
into my family's house, grandma's house. Di Pesega. That's it. Siya oko. Uya. May pisia oko. And hi everything. Wow. Pesega. Ay, wala. Fire at him. B. Huh? Oh, I started. I thought it was a B.
Wie? As in the fruit?
Yeah. Grandma, Mom and Elijah in the arena. Grandpa, Anna, Tina, Nina. Oh, yeah. So, whoa, who's this lady? And this lady. And this lady. And this. What's this? Wait, oh no. That's my picture. Me and my trophies. Me, Jared, and Irene. Oh, and our family is here. Auntie, I'll give you my new photos. My youngest auntie. My young kuka. Israel.
The holy place.
Israel. Oh, is that the Israel from yesterday? This used to be Grandpa and Grandma's house. So I look for Grandma and Grandpa. God, there, Grandma and Grandpa. Hi, Grandpa, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa, Grandma. Oh yeah. Hi, Auntie. Yeah. Yeah? Hey, coconut. Olin yung coconut. Malaya ay. Malaya ako. Uyo. Ay, Larry masing. Wow. Yeah. Bye.
Yeah, what it are? Ya, dia bawa mai ide. Papua. Ya, dak puak dia. Puak ai. Ni aku mai. Raise. I forgot my info. Kira paling fai dia umur ko nga. Isko nga i.
Coffee.
Coffee dua. Kolor itu ada fang. Kai lang ai kele pua. Spang fang. Spang fo ai mai ska.
Like I grandma grandpa. Lay no kale swimming pool. So what? Why I want to say? I saw it at the front.
Then it's probably from the car.
The swimming pool's in front of, on top of Grandma and Grandpa. Wow. Hi, Rena. Did you go to church? Mm-hmm. Oh, good girl. Kiki.
Kasi ela foi para pôr lá no chão. Kailangan na ulit yung papalingin mo siya.
뭐야, 뭐 얼마나 씹어? Ai cầm bộ sao? Ai nè. Ui giời. Mấy cái phú nghị. Sao? Yeah. Pero không phải ác mà. Pero không phải. Phải. Bây giờ. Mama buat awak Oh, ada lah. Apa pun ni? Eu creio. Bye, Melvin. Girls. Hi, girls. Hi, Tina. Fica por aí. Yes, that's funny. Nee.
Não usou a pista só de deixar.
Não eu sou capa peselo.
Ahora había po. Vaya.
Ai, cari. Tuvao with the little ones. Oh, they came around.
Kau fui ouvir, né?
Yeah. Ui, ai que legal, né? Vi legal. Vai que legal.
Fez um copo. Mas como é? Qual copo?
Our family. Oi. It's so big.
And that side.
What are they using it for?
Among you.
Yeah.
Để phát tiêu càng phát tiêu. Để tiêu là
Não, não, não,
ai phu mà vậy? Chắc chỉ mình phu quay young. That pulu tree that was there a long time, and it's still there. The big pulu tree. That's Uncle Alo's place.
Câu cua nữa.
Yeah.
So Uncle was using that side. Uncle Alo was using this big.
Ui, mấy lên nè. Outfit ai. Effet ai là cô. Ok. Han. Kinh à? Phải cái kiểu vậy.
Hả?
Phải cái kiểu. Phải kia ai lấy mấy này lô. Apparently they fit ai. They said the girls said they fit ai. If it ai có mấy này à? Yeah? If it ai.
Ese allá no hay bueno,
Hi, Papa.
Hi.
Hi. Ủa sao?
Wow, Shaggy.
Wow. Wow, bùa. Mama anh có bùa. Olha á. Flower. Ah, não, aí ele é bùa.
Remember kicking to the middle?
Sirena. Ako na nga pa.
Ah, det är fint.
Fia. Oi.
Det är fint.
Hi, Trina.
Có free phần nên.
Ơi. Và mà ngày à đấy. Yeah, phiêu luôn đấy bị.
Mà đi hiểu.
Yeah, ai đi. Mà ai có fan. Phải cách kì. Alright, pula. Ơi.
Wow.
Wow. Fair.
Get the passion fruit somewhere over there.
Oh, come, let's go. Where are we going?
Dragon fruit.
Dragon fruit, yeah.
Có sợ quá.
Fair. Cái kia thì là passion fruit nè. Yeah. What color? Is it nice? Straight from the tree. I love it. We are. Go.
It's supposed to be black.
Auntie.
Maya.
Ah, cuma di.
Yeah, so.
Vai. Ah, listen.
Yeah, I.
Listen. Listen.
Go color.
Ay, memang pasal lesen semua. Color.
Wow, go go food. Yeah, Maya. 10 out of 10. 10. And they eat this salapa. That's what the soursop looks like. Yeah. We have a so.
Eu fiz primeiro passeio. Isso que ele precisa voltar mesmo. Aí eu fui por.
I don't know. Amazing, they.
Tudo. Uma macamé pudo. Tudo.
Oh, lavanga pas.
Salah bang. Evacuar fa pula.
Vamos.
Oi. Sa.
Lá com o senhor sapo aqui, né?
Yeah, the little chickens. No, it's okay. What did you do? What did you just do?
I don't say English.
You husk the coconut. Husk the coconut. Well, me nga ke ay
Apa?
oli kuava. Mga kuava.
Samoan life.
Samoan life. We love our Samoan life. Hi, Lenny. Wow. Are you okay? How are you?
Good.
I'm good. Aya, Oipo, how are you?
Good, thank you.
It's a cousin Tawa. All my little cousins here. I knew the princess there, Tina. Wait, life, eh? Right up before Danny. Danny. Hi, Pepe. Oi. Hi, Palangi. Hi, Palangi. The bobbies are. Oh no, not the bobbies. This is where the buas, so the pigs, are here. We are. Mai kikio mai a upe mawangi me ai. Oh, hi pigs. Hi pigs. Kaya ay ngam.
Hi, ai. What are you?
What ay lea? Awa nga bia. So. Yeah. Foi feio se vai sal, olha se vai sal.
You're the party.
Ai, awa mau le aka sal. Nei lo camera.
Eh, que viu aí, mulher vai ele que tem que ai.
No, just do it. Ready, go. Ay, nga kasi
Ba, cái phi về ngồi đây vai.
Như vậy lại. Nhưng mà Había po. Ese céu esse. Yeah, va. What brothers? Oh. Đây là our brothers there. Vậy. Ôi giời.
Clean.
Nice. Cái nice.
Đừng có cái biết gì.
Ah, sim é. Popo.
Dragon food.
A dragon. Dragon. Yes, Sawatina. Dragon fruits.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Les passions po. Guava. The dragon. Cái ấy popo ai. Nó vậy nha. Where are we?
Samoa.
Yeah, and what we're gonna do today?
Is we have fruits
Yes.
and we're gonna eat them.
We have fruits. So here, do you want to tell them the Samoan names of them? What's this?
Pa'i.
Fa'i or Misiluki?
Yeah.
We show them.
And I don't know how to
They're
do
very
this.
small.
I don't know how to spell Samoan.
Oh, this is not a, this is dragon fruit.
Yeah.
It's nice. Straight from Uncle Alo's tree.
Yeah.
What's this?
Coco.
It's cocoa. It's a cocoa bean.
Yeah.
This is where you make your, what is it? Cocoa Samoa from?
Samoa. That's mango. Mango.
No.
Yeah.
Malay.
And guava.
Guava.
Yeah.
Hey. Guava. Okay. Let's get into it. Let's cut. Actually, let's do. Hey. Yeah, break it up. We'll try the fatty first. Missionary.
Banana.
Banana. Cheers. Try. What's your rating out of 10?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Me too.
Too sour.
Oh, it's actually sour, right? What do you want to do next?
Mango.
Mango?
Mango.
We'll just have the one side, eh?
Yeah.
Do you want to cut like diamonds?
Yes.
No. Cheers. Cheers. Parang ang maya. Why is it all sour?
I know.
Oh.
Yuck. Let's rate it out of 10.
They're usually nice. I don't know what happened to that one.
Yeah, I think like 5 out of 10.
Okay, I agree.
Guava.
Guava.
Yes.
So it looks like inside. Okay. Cheers.
Mm. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Okay. Cool.
It's so hearty.
Yeah. No, it's not a
That
good
doesn't
one.
look right.
It's not good.
Uh,
Okay. Let's head for the last one, okay?
dragon fruit.
Let's see.
Oh, satisfying. Oh, okay. I thought it's gonna be pink.
Me too. Big bite. 1, 2, 3.
Mm.
You just said
Just a little.
Oh, it's a little another
Mm-hmm.
This is sweet. It's nice and sweet.
Like 10 out of 10, I think.
Hmm?
10 out of 10, I think. 10 out of 10, baby.
Okay, are you lying?
Huh?
Don't lie, be honest. What do you think, really?
10 out of 10.
But you didn't want to eat it again.
Yeah, I don't want to eat it.
So it's a 8 out of 10.
I
It's
think
not.
9 out of 10. 9 out of 10.
Come, so matey. Tell everyone you're lying.
I'm lying. I was lying.
So what's the truth? What's the truth?
9 out of 10.
So far, our video, our fruits, we're good.
I like the guava.
Oh, you like the guava. Okay, well that was our testing
Yeah.
for our Sunday snack. This was all her idea.
Yes, it was my idea.
Idea.
Idea. So far, so far from Samoa.
But